Hi guys, what's up? It is Gamer6533. Today we're playing some Hypixel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. And I'm playing with my brother, Creeper Gamer 6533. No, it is Creeper Gamer 456. He has a YouTube channel. Subscribe to him. It's creeper456. And subscribe to me. Hit the notification bell and like the video. Okay. So we're playing some Hypixel. Okay, Creeper Gamer 456. Hey, can you invite me? Invite me. So today we're playing some Bed Wars. Let's join Creeper Gamer 456. Okay, we're here. Where is he? He has the same skin as me, guys. So we're kind of like brothers. We are. Okay, where are you? We're playing some Bed Wars. Guys, see? This is Creeper Gamer 456. Subscribe to him, hit the notification bell, and like to him. It is Gamer456. Like this video too, okay guys? What in the world? When is this Dumbo game is gonna stop? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Bed Wars started. Okay, I'm gonna get some wool right here. Okay, I'm gonna type you do defense. Okay, so I'm gonna do the defense and he's gonna go out. Is that correct? Right? Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. I'm getting some more ingots and gold because they're important, so we can get wool and that stuff. Please guys, subscribe, and I will link how I made this YouTube video, and I will link the next time when you guys join. Yeah, when you guys join, I'll link the server down below. Okay guys, so look in the comments. It will say Gamer456. No, what is it again? Gamer6533. Okay guys, then you can guys join our server. Is that correct, Gamer? Oh no! Let me defense it. Yeah, that is correct. He said on the chat, my club chat. Okay. I'm new on Java, and you can only friend us on Java, not on Bedrock like that. No! Our bed is destroyed! No! Creeper Gamer! Creeper Gamer? Can you hear me? Oh, thank goodness. So, we're gonna link our server below, and we're also going to leave our comment how we made the video. Is that correct? Let's see if he says something. No. Okay, good. So you can only friend. Good. Wait, you're a spectator? What? Okay. So you can only guys friend us on Java. If you have it on a computer like that, then you can friend us. Okay guys? And we will link our server below. Yes. And the comments. Move out the way, Creeper Gamer. Move out the way. That's correct. Creeper Gamer, yellow. Good. Boing, 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 boing. Creeper Gamer, can you give me some gold? Can you give me some gold? creeper456, give me some gold. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, 10. 10 is good. Thank you. Okay, now I can get something like good. 7 gold. I'll get some wool. What did you say? Oh, come on! You fell in the void? I was gonna say wood. No! Come out! Come out! Go! No! Our bed is destroyed! I told you! Gamer456. That is his YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe. I told you. I told you. You should protect now, okay? I will go. You protect. Creeper456, yeah. And Creeper456, you're gonna defend. You're gonna build, and I'm gonna defense. Okay? You're gonna defense. I go out. Is that? You're gonna do that? Yes. Okay, good. After this video, we're gonna upload Creeper. We're gonna upload his one. We're gonna go on his channel and upload on his channel. So please, guys, subscribe. He already left a comment and a video on his channel. So go subscribe, guys. This is him. We have the same skin. This is my skin. And this is his skin, guys. See? We're the twin. Look. Come here. Creeper. Creeper, come here. Come. Okay. What are you doing? Stop getting on my face. Okay, it's good. Go green. No. Yeah. Green. I saw green. Wow. Green. Go green. Is that correct, Creeper? Yep, that is correct. Give me some gold. Give me some gold. I need some gold. I need gold. Not wood. Thank you. I need one more gold. I need gold. Okay, here's some gold. I'm making defense. Yes. You're making the defense. You're making the defense. Okay. Get this. I'm a little bit cringy if you guys know what I mean. You precious word. You precious wool. Just keep coming because I purchased a lot of wool. Look, I have so much wool. Let me show you. Look, 64, 64, 32, 60. You need it? Where are you? Creeper456? You need it? You don't? Okay, you don't. Okay. I'll help you. I will help you. Need gold. Nope, I don't need gold. I'll take that too. Which way should I go? Which way? Straight. You might come in! Creeper, go! Creeper! 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 No! Our bed is destroyed? Why? Why? Why did you do that? No, it's okay. I'm fine. Why would you do that? You didn't defense it. Now we have to defense. Defense! You did not kill it. But it's fine. Do you have some gold? And And tomorrow we're going on live, guys. So make sure you guys see it. Okay, guys? Okay. Creeper456. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Get this. Okay. I got some wood. Get some wood. Creeper456. Are you sure you can do this? Are you sure you can do this? No, I died. Somebody was right behind me. No. What? I said blue? What do you mean? Okay. Boy. Creeper Gamma 456. Yep, I hate this map. How about you go in voice chat? You know what I mean, right? Creeper Gamer 456. You know what we're on, right? Mobile. So, can you please go in voice chat? You could, right? You know. Okay. Okay. Guys, we're having a tough time. You're having a tough time. I'm new on Java. So, he got it like 1 month ago, guys. I don't know this much about Java. I'm new. Get out of my face. It's okay. Let me write it. It's okay. Okay, that's good. Get this. Then go here. Nope. Right. Okay. Second one. Good. You know I can hear you, gamer. Oh, already? Already? How? Nobody. Oh, that's good. That's good. Wait. You said you survived. Then someone killed me. Oh, okay. I hate this map, right? This map is the worst. Right, Gamer456? Okay. So, I wish we had a different map, like with the bots. Bots are so easy to fight, right? Right? Creeper456? Is bots so easy to fight? Please, wait, what do you say? Please do? Yeah. And what were you saying, please? Is that please what? Please subscribe to Gamer6533 and Creeper456. Please, guys, subscribe so you can join our server and you can see us. We'll be talking with you guys. And tomorrow, don't forget, we're live chatting. We're live chatting tomorrow, guys. Okay, guys? So please subscribe to me and this dude. Okay. What are you doing? Gamer? Creeper, you're supposed to be protecting the bed. At 10 o'clock, yes. We're going on live on 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. What did I tell you?